Here's just a quick overview of Threads and Instagram app. So I just installed it. As you can see right now, it's in the top charts. So to create an account is super easy. You just need to have Instagram app installed or just have an Instagram account and log in with your Instagram account. It's not possible to log in with Google, Apple, Snapchat, or create your account like with just with a phone number. So you need to have your Instagram account and then you can just easily log in. So that's that. And then when you open the app, you just have like, Twitter version of Instagram basically. So that's the idea. You just have it here. Is the same design and Instagram, just without images. The icons, the font, as I understand, like all of the things look like Instagram, which is pretty cool. But it's just yeah, it's just only text based, text focus, I would say. Of course, you can post images, videos, and all of that. And then yeah, you can just tap on the plus icon to follow someone, or you can then unfollow. If you're following someone here, you're not automatically following that person on Instagram. These apps are super synced, but it's not still not the same. So yeah, then if you tap on three dots, you can unfollow, mute, hide, report. You can like, you can reply if you wanna. You can repost. So this is not like a retweet, repost. And then if you tap on here, you can add to your story. You can post to Instagram feed. You can also tweet it. That's like a nice gesture from this app actually. You can also copy a link and then you can share it. So yeah, these are the options. Of course, this is like a version 1, so there will be more and more features added. Then you can just search here, so you can find some people. Then if you want, you can start a thread. You can attach some images or photos from here. You can change the privacy of your post. Then you can see your likes and your activity, replies, mentions, verified. So yeah, as you can see, it looks very similar to Instagram or like other Facebook apps. So there you have it. You can see number of your followers. Then you can just have edit profile. It's not possible to change username here. So your username is the same as on Instagram. And your name is the same. You can only change your profile picture from here. Then you can add your bio, add your link. You can make your profile private, and that's it. Then you can have your settings in top right. You have your privacy, so you can change mentions, you can change muted, or then you can select some hidden words, offensive words and phrases, custom words and phrases. You can manage those. Profiles you follow. So you can see from here, you can select block profiles, hide likes. And a lot of settings are actually, as you can see, these are same as like on Instagram, and it's synced through some account center, same as on Instagram. And some of the settings, as you can see, apply to both Threads and Instagram and can be managed on Instagram. So at the moment, that's like that. Then you can just take a break, get a reminder to take a break when you spend this amount of time at once on Threads. Then you can just also tap deactivate profile. You can tap to deactivate Threads profile. This will not affect your Instagram account. So there you have it. And privacy. Here is again a cool section, custom words and phrases, where you can add them to your hidden words. For example, you don't want to see some posts with specific phrases or words, and then you can just add them here and avoid that. So it will make your feed much cleaner. So that's basically the idea here. And that's that. So this is like the version 1 of the app. The other thing they're promising, as you can see, is just says threads.net. What's that? So in the future, Threads app will also implement this kind of Fediverse um, feature, which is, I think it will be based on some protocol, decentralized protocol, similar as Mastodon or Blue Sky, like AT protocol or some other ones. And yeah, it will be decentralized. So that's what they're promising. And this ThreadsNet is just basically part of that. That basically you will be able to log in with your own domain or something like that. That's basically parts of this decentralized social media. I guess that's about that. So yeah, this is the app. Try it out.